how to use AI to easily create details for a video to post on YouTube, title, description, hashtag, and keywords. Let's see it in this video. Start, for example, with FlexClip. With FlexClip tools, you can create a video. So select the ratio you have, for example, in our case, 16:9. Then if we already have the video, what we'll do is we will import our media. So we will download our video. Up, where is our video? It's in our download. And here we have a video that we've created. So this video is in French to show you that you can create a resume or details for video, even if you don't understand the video at all, you know nothing about the video. And once you have your video selected, add it to your timeline. Add it to the timeline. It is downloading the video. Once the video has been downloaded, you can add it to the timeline and then go to subtitles and use the AI auto subtitle tool. So this tool will extract the text actually that is spoken on the video. So select the original language, and as you can see, you can actually do it for a video in any language, even a video that you do not understand at all, for which you do not speak the language. We'll be able to understand what this video is about. So this video is in French from France. We can choose content, so we want everything, and then click on generate. Now, the artificial intelligence of this tool will extract the content, so it will create subtitles. It will basically extract text spoken in the video as a text written in subtitles that we will then be able to reuse for any purpose we want. So here, the tool is slowly generating subtitles. Depending on your video length, it can take more or less time. In our case, it should take only a few minutes because it's a kind of short video of 3 minutes, 20 seconds. So it should be pretty fast. And you can, of course, see progress in real time. While it is processing, best is to keep the browser open and keep your computer focused on it, so all the processing power of your computer can be used to generate subtitles. So do not go in any other menu, do not cancel. Basically, what you have to do during that time is to keep your computer open on and your browser open on this page. If necessary, if the video is very long, to avoid that your computer goes on sleep mode, move the mouse from time to time, especially relevant if your video is extremely long. And it would take a very long time to actually generate subtitles using artificial intelligence. So in our case, it should be only a few minutes. We have again 3 minutes 22 seconds of video, and it is to give you an order of ID, it is basically kind of real time. So here we have a video that is 3 minutes. We should expect around 3 minutes to generate the subtitles for the artificial intelligence to play this video, to understand the audio and turn audio into text that we can then reuse to generate details before posting our video on YouTube, which is what we want to achieve here to easily create optimized um, details for a video to post on YouTube. So here we go. We are nearly at the end. It is kind of fast, as you can see. It's never fast enough, but it's not so slow. And here we go. We are slowly getting to the end. We are now at 100%. And here we go. We have the whole text. What we can do now with this text is to download the subtitle file, download it as txt. So .srt is a subtitle format, meaning you also have timestamps, but all we want here is purely the text. So we'll extract a .txt, which is only the subtitle. So we can also ask to get the timestamps included, but we want only the text. So here we go. Save it anywhere. And once it's saved, go to ChatGPT, for example, or any artificial intelligence program you use. So to use FlexClip and extract subtitles from video, the link is in the description. It's a tool very simple to use. with a lot of functionalities. Then go to ChatGPT, open a new ChatGPT. So as is the case here, and tell your ChatGPT to create details for a YouTube video based on transcription of audio content. Give us a title, description with hash tags and the tags separated by comma. Oops. And here we go. And we can, of course, upload from computer our text file. Wait a little. Of audio content in attachment. Tell artificial intelligence that a text is in attachment. And let's see what it will give us. Here we go. It creates our title, our description. It's kind of, well, depending on the video you have, of course, it can be faster than do it yourself, but it's especially interesting if you do not understand anything. And here, in our case, the video is in French, yeah? So we'll ask to give us all these details in French. Give us all these details in French and beautify everything with emoticons and optimize for SEO rankings and drive clicks. And now it will give us the details in French. Here we go. So now, even if we don't understand the language, we didn't understand the video, we have here everything we need to actually post our video on YouTube. Then we can open our YouTube channel. So here we go. Let's go on YouTube. Our YouTube studio. Wait for our computer to load. I wish you that your computer is faster than mine. Meanwhile, we can go back here, copy and paste the title. Of course, you can refine everything by creating more prompts. For example, ask for a longer description, for more details, to include whatever. And now that we're on our YouTube, you can go on Create, Upload Video, select our video file to upload. So it's the last video recreated. Here we go. Give a few seconds to end. Now simply paste what we had here. So here, for example, our title was too long. So if you don't understand the language, you will have to ask yourself to make the title less than 100 characters and expand on description to be more accurate. Also include a call to action where I will include my affiliate link. Okay, so if in the video you have an affiliate link, which is the case here, this video is actually promoting a VPN, so your video might be promoting something else, and here we have a title that should be shorter. Yes, now the title works, and we have a longer description. Here, take our description, even if we don't understand what it is about, what it says. Okay. Did I paste it several times? No, yes. Okay, now all we have to do here is add our affiliate link. So, our VPN link. Take the affiliate link, put it at the beginning of the description, and take the tags. Go down, we can add it to our playlist, so you should of course know what your playlists are about. For example, here. Okay, done. We have some playlists. Then it's not made for kids. We endorse a product because it's an affiliate video. We don't have anything fake AI. And here we go. Simply add our tags. Remove maybe our first tags. So it's too much tags, so let's just remove some tags. Our video language is in French. Recording date was today. Video location, put it, for example, this one. Let's say it's in New York. And here we go. Now all we have to do is publish our video. So of course you should also probably add a thumbnail if you got one. In our case, we don't have a specific thumbnail. We just want to publish this video. Okay. And that's it. Our video is ready to publish with all details, title, description, tags generated via AI without having to understand what's the video saying, what the video is about, or anything like that, simply by using AI. Then click publish, and you are done. Good luck publishing your video and extracting the scripts even without understanding them.